Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add Amazon gift card to Cash App. So if you have your Amazon gift card and you want to add it to your Cash App, unfortunately you can't directly add it to your Cash App and it doesn't support your Amazon gift card. But what we can do, we can try to send your balance, your balance from your gift card to your Cash App through your bank account. So we can do that. So for that, just open up your Amazon account and log into your account, and then go to Amazon Pay and then just add your Amazon gift card here so that you can transfer the balance to your bank account. So here, click on gift cards and then simply click on add your gift card so that you can add your Amazon gift card to your Amazon Pay. Click on add a gift card and then enter your gift card details here so that you can, and then just hit on the add balance. So you'll add your balance. So once that's done, now hit on the send money option here from Amazon Pay and then click on bank transfer and then send it to your bank account. Plug in the details, hit on continue and complete the transaction. So your balance, your Amazon balance will be sent to your bank account. So now that you have this balance, you can simply open up your Cash App and then just link your bank account. So once you have logged into your Cash App, you can simply, what you can do, you can link your bank account. Go to your profile, hit on linked banks, click on link debit card, click on no card, and then here you'll be simply able to link your bank account. So you can just use the same bank account that you transferred the funds to. You can just use the same bank account, and then that's it. You have your funds, your balance, your gift card balance on your Cash App. So yes, this is the workaround we have at this moment. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.